Okay.
Go ahead.
Part 2. Welcome back. Tips Rogers Neighborhood. We're talking about mystery books today. And a mystery book is a book where all of the characters are trying to figure out something. Something was stolen, something happened. They're trying to figure out how it all went down, and you as the reader are trying to figure it out along with the characters. Sometimes you can figure it out before they do, sometimes you can't. These are some of my favorite books, and we have mystery books in the library for you little guys, like Miss Nelson is Missing, and there's a whole bunch of Dear Miss LaRue books, which are all told in letters and all very mysterious indeed. If the idea of trying to solve a mystery sounds good to you, you might want to check one of those out. And then I have a few series for you upper readers. Now, these are going up in order of complexity. So the first one is A to Z Mysteries. Doesn't matter what order you read them in. Each one is based on a different letter of the alphabet, like X'd Out X-Ray and Vampire's Vacation. Then there's another series here, The Boxcar Children. These are some classic series, guys. These are some really good books. It doesn't matter what order you read them in. And I think I got a little bit out of order because Encyclopedia Brown's a little bit easier. We have quite a few of these in the library for you to check out. They aren't too tough. I think you guys are going to really like them. And these books don't get checked out very much. Now, for you older readers, I wanted to show you guys a series that is really cool and just does not get checked out very much from the library. It's this book right here. I'm not sure if the series as a whole has a name for the series, but they go in this order: Chasing Vermeer, The Right Three, and The Calder Game. These are the same group of students, and as you might be able to tell, they're all named after different artists. We've got Vermeer, Frank Lloyd Wright, and Calder here, and they all take place in different museums. They're pretty tough, but they're great books, especially if you like mysteries. So come by the library and check it out. Now I got another letter. I got several letters, but this week when I got this nice bookmark reminding me to get well soon. Someone noticed Hipster Rogers was a little sniffly last week when he was interviewing Mrs. Forrestal, and they wrote me a great letter. They really like the I Survived books. We've had those in the library, and they asked me what is my favorite Indian book because theirs is The Blackfeet. My favorite Indian book is The Indian in the Cupboard, another classic book. We're talking about a lot of my favorites today. This one is in the fantasy section of the library, so come by sometime and I'll show you where that's at to check it out. All right, heading back over to wrap this up.
Our character word of the month is service.
Definition: expending time and effort to help others.
Quote, we make a living by what we get, we make, and a life by what we give. Winston Churchill.
And now, keep saving those plastic lids. We are almost halfway to our goal.
At this time, if you would please send students with recycling bins to the front foyer to meet Mr. Lee. Upper grades, please remember your buddy classes.
Thank you for joining us this morning. Have a terrific Tuesday.